It's very important that we take the most effective route to rationalising all the technologies. So we'll use modelling and prototyping to deliver the best results we can without significant investment. The first few phases of the project should spend very little money but deliver a lot of confidence in the technologies. Once we've got a solution that we think is good, it meets what we believe it requires, we've tested it in our control circumstances, we then need to go into a sort of more validation phase where we build a few units, we'll trial the processes, we'll put it out into more market representative test environments, and we see what breaks. We don't test it, we're not using the customer at this point because you need to capture a lot of data back, you need to be very tightly monitoring, you need to know everything that's occurred. We always have to go back to making sure we meet the objectives, and we always then have to go and check those objectives still meet what the customers need. So we go through validation, and we've got a solution that we know technically achieves what we want it to achieve. It's practically achieved what we want it to achieve. So then is the point to start building up the production process and the volumes. All the way through this process, we are ramping up the investment, but checking before we put a significant chunk in each time. So we start putting in production processes, we validate production processes, we start doing some customer field trials, and then ultimately we move ourselves to production. Now that's all controlled in this very methodical, thorough NPI process.